In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stripe features. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Stripe website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Stripe dashboard. This is where you'll find a summary of your payments, balance, and recent activity. To access payment-related features, look at the left sidebar and click on the Payments tab. In this section, you can view transactions associated with your account. You can also manage refunds and handle disputes directly from this area. Browse through the available transaction records and select the options you need when working with payments. If you need to work with invoices, return to the navigation menu and click on Invoices. This section allows you to create and send invoices. As you create an invoice, you can customize it with your branding. You can also set up recurring billing and configure automated email reminders for overdue payments. Complete the available invoice settings as needed and proceed through the invoice creation process. Next, navigate to the subscription section from the menu. This is where you can manage subscription-related settings. Within this area, you can create subscription plans, set up trial periods, and manage customer subscriptions. Review the available options and configure the subscription settings that match your requirements. To view financial information, select Reports from the navigation menu. This section contains reporting tools that allow you to generate reports on earnings, fees, and payouts. Choose the report you want to view and generate the information directly from the available reporting options. If you're planning to connect Stripe with a website, go to the Developer section. Here you'll find developer tools and settings related to integrations. Within this section, you can access API keys, webhooks, and other resources used for payment processing integrations. Browse through the available developer settings and select the information you need for your setup. You can move between these sections at any time using the navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. The Payments section is used for transactions, refunds, and disputes. The Invoices section is used for invoice creation and billing settings. The Subscriptions section is used for subscription plans and customer subscriptions. Reports provides access to financial reporting, and Developers contains integration tools and related settings. That's all there is to it. By navigating through these sections, you can access and use the main Stripe features directly from your dashboard. Thank you for watching.